हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, मैं BL शर्मा, मैथ्स। In this video, you will learn how to prove basic proportionality theorem. The other name of basic proportionality theorem is Thale's theorem. That is in chapter 6, Triangles of class 10th mathematics. स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम सीखेंगे कि कैसे बेसिक प्रोपोर्शनलिटी थ्योरम को प्रूव करेंगे। इसके लिए हमें कुछ नॉलेज की, बेसिक नॉलेज की जरूरत होगी। और इस बेसिक नॉलेज में हम देखेंगे कि ये इसमें देखिएगा। फर्स्ट, वी मस्ट नो दैट टू ट्राइंगल्स ऑन द सेम बेस एंड बिटवीन सेम पैरेलल्स आर इक्वल इन एरियाज। अगर टू ट्राइंगल्स सेम बेस पे हैं और सेम पैरेलल पे लाई करते हैं, सेम पैरेलल लाइंस के बीच में लाई करते हैं, तो उनका एरिया, दोनों ट्राइंगल्स का एरिया इक्वल होता है। दैट वाज इन क्लास 9। नंबर 2, हमें ये आइडेंटिफाई करना आना चाहिए कि इन अ ट्राइंगल if base is given, then how to determine the corresponding altitude. And number 3, we all know that area of a triangle is given by 1/2 into base into corresponding altitude. तो 1 by 1 पहले हम इसको देखेंगे। फर्स्ट, triangles on the same base and between same parallels are equal in areas means, see in this figure, triangle DEB and triangle DEC, these are two triangles and they are on the same base DE and lying between same parallels DE and BC। जहां पे दो ट्राइंगल है DEB और ट्राइंगल DEC, ये दोनों सेम बेस पे लाई करते हैं। सेम बेस कौन सा है यहाँ पे? DE। और सेम पैरेलल लाइंस के बीच में लाई करते हैं। सेम पैरेलल लाइंस कौन सी है? DE एंड BC। तो इन दोनों ट्राइंगल्स का एरिया इक्वल होगा। ये हमारा फर्स्ट कॉन्सेप्ट हुआ। नंबर 2, altitude, how to determine the altitude, how to find the altitude if the base is given. So उसके लिए हमें 3 triangles लेने होंगे। First is acute angle triangle, then second is obtuse triangle, and third is right angle triangle. If we consider base here BC, so according to the definition of an altitude of a triangle, a perpendicular drawn from a vertex to its opposite side of the triangle, that is known as an altitude of the triangle. So see here, इस ट्राइंगल में हमने BC को बेस लिया, इसका अपोजिट वर्टेक्स A है, तो उससे हम BC पे परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉ करेंगे। Then AD is the corresponding altitude for the base BC in acute angle triangle. For the obtuse angle triangle, ABC is an obtuse angle triangle, and we taking base BC, then what is the altitude for the base BC? तो उसके लिए हम क्या करना पड़ेगा? We have to go to the opposite vertex A and draw perpendicular to the base BC. तो BC तो हमारा यही रह गया, तो उसके लिए क्या करेंगे? We have to extend the base CB to D. So here AD is corresponding altitude for the base BC. And for third right angle triangle, BC is the base, opposite vertex to BC is A, you draw perpendicular from A to BC, then AB is the corresponding altitude for the base BC. यहाँ पे बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज ये है, ये सेकंड पार्ट आप देखिए। अगर ये ऑब्ट्यूस एंगल ट्राइंगल है तो इसमें कॉरेस्पॉन्डिंग ऑल्टीट्यूड विल लाई आउटसाइड द ट्राइंगल। तो ये जो ऑल्टीट्यूड है एडी, ये ट्राइंगल के आउटसाइड है, ये हमें ध्यान में रखना पड़ेगा। और इसकी जरूरत हमें बेसिक प्रोपोर्शनलिटी थ्योरम मींस थेल्स थ्योरम के प्रूफ में जरूरत पड़ेगी। सो लेट अस स्टार्ट। यहां से हम थेल्स थ्योरम को स्टार्ट करते हैं। देखिए, इसके लिए पहले से आपको चाहिए कि आप एक बेसिक इंफॉर्मेशन जो दे रखा है, इसका स्टेटमेंट क्या है? इफ अ लाइन इज ड्रॉन पैरेलल टू वन साइड ऑफ अ ट्राइंगल intersecting the other two sides in distinct means different points, then the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. Students here, so you draw the triangle here. You consider here the triangle, this is हियर एक ट्राइंगल हम बनाएंगे इस इंफॉर्मेशन से। इसके लिए देखिए ये ट्राइंगल हमारा बन रहा है। सो ये दिस इज ट्राइंगल ABC हियर। सो दिस इज A, this point is B, and this point is C. This is a triangle. Yes. And now a line parallel to BC. This line is L. This line L is parallel to BC. This line is parallel to BC, intersecting AB at point D and AC at point E. Yes. So हमें क्या लिखना पड़ेगा? What is given here? So see here. A line L, which is parallel to side BC of triangle ABC, intersects AB at D and AC at E. You see here, से देखिए आप यहाँ पे ये एक लाइन है D, ये L लाइन है. This line L is parallel to BC and intersecting this line AB at D and line AC at E. And now what to prove? We have to prove that this line L divide AB and AC in the same ratio. So we have to prove here that AD upon BD is equal to AE upon C. Means this upon this should be equal to this upon this. For this, we need a construction here. So we are taking a different color for constructing later. This is the construction here, C. So to join first construction, join B with A, join the point C with D, and then draw a perpendicular DM from point D to AC and a perpendicular E to AB. So I'm marking here these points. ये मैं इनको point को mark कर देता हूँ. देखिए यहाँ पे. Let this point is M, this point is N, this is 90 degree and this is 90 degree. So हमारा construction हुआ यहाँ पे देखिएगा. Draw DM perpendicular to AC, EN perpendicular to AB, and join B, point B with point EN. We again have to join point C with D. See here, हमने क्या किया? From D, draw a perpendicular DM to the side AC. From point E से हमने AC पे एक altitude means perpendicular draw किया है. Then join B with point E and join C with point D. Yes, I think it is clear to you. Then we come to the proof here. So what is proof here? See, again we are taking the same triangle here and here proof starts. See, in this figure, triangle DEB and triangle DEC. See, triangle DEB and DEB and triangle DEC. They both are on the same base DE and between same parallels DE and BC. So they will be, means the two triangles DEB and triangle DEC both will be equal in areas, as we already have seen here. See here, we have discussed here. When the two triangles are on the same base and between same parallels, then they are equal in एरियाज हम पहले इसको डिस्कस कर चुके हैं। देखिएगा यहां से अब हमें प्रूव करना है, यहाँ पे क्या प्रूव करना है देखिएगा, वी हैव टू प्रूव दैट See, we have to prove that AD upon BD is equal to A upon C. तो वो एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल का हम फॉर्मूला लेंगे, तो उसके लिए क्या करेंगे देखिएगा, वी नो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल we know area of triangle ADE is equal to area of triangle ADE। क्योंकि हमें पता है कि दोनों सेम ट्राइंगल है ADE और ADE, इसलिए इन दोनों ट्राइंगल्स का एरिया सेम होगा। And we also know that area of triangle DEB is equal to area of triangle DEC. So divide both by this side by area of triangle DEB and right hand side by area of triangle DEC. Now we know that area of a triangle is given by 1 by 2 into base into corresponding altitude. So for triangle ADE, यहाँ पे आपको एक ट्रिक देखनी है कि for this triangle ADE, you take the base AD. For right hand side, for this triangle ADE, you take the base A. For this triangle DEB, you take the base BD. And for triangle DEC, you take the base CE. And we know that area of a triangle is 1 by 2 into base into corresponding altitude. So for triangle, this triangle ADE, we can take 1 by 2, that is 1 by 2 into base AD. And what is corresponding altitude? In this triangle, if we are taking base AD, then this will be corresponding altitude. Then its corresponding altitude will be EN divided by what is area of triangle DEB. As I told you that for this we have to take base BD. So we are taking base BD here. But if we are taking base BD here, what will be corresponding altitude? Student, this is an obtuse angle triangle. This angle is obtuse angle triangle. And we are taking BD as base. So go to the opposite vertex E. And then now EN means this is EN is the altitude to the extended base BD. So चाहे आपका base AD हो या आपका base BD हो, आपका corresponding altitude EN ही हुआ. So we can write here EN. Right hand side area of triangle is given by 1 by 2. We have to take here base AE. Yes. If we are taking base here AE, see here, if the same triangle we are taking base AE, so this MDM will be corresponding altitude. So we can write here DM divided by 1 by 2. For the triangle DEC, we have to take the corresponding means base CE. So 1 by 2 in base CE. What will be corresponding altitude? C. It is again an obtuse angle triangle, this triangle DEC, and we are taking base C. So for this, you go to the opposite vertex, that is D, and draw the perpendicular to the extended base CE. It means that is DM, because DM is already perpendicular to AC. So we can write here DM. यहाँ पे आपको ढंग से ऑब्जर्व करने की जरूरत है कि जब आप बेस AD लेंगे और या बेस DE लेंगे तो दोनों का ऑल्टीट्यूड सेम ही है, दैट इज EN and EN. राइट हैंड साइड में इफ यू आर टेकिंग बेस AE हियर एंड बेस CE हियर, दोनों का corresponding ऑल्टीट्यूड DM ही है. So now you can cancel it out. How to cancel it out? See here, you can cancel 1 by 2 is cancelled by 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is cancelled by 1 by 2. EN is cancelled by EN. DM is cancelled by DM. So now what is left? It is left here. So that is AD upon BD is equal to AE upon C. This is AD upon BD is equal to AE upon C. Students, यही हमें प्रूव करना था. We can write hence proved. That's all, student. That's all. Thank you very much. Please like, share, comment, and keep watching. Thank you very much.